Andreas, Torshälla, Sweden. Out in the woods walking with my son, smoking my Falcon and smoking in it Robert McConnel Black Parrot. Really good vapor. Standing in this really nice nature reserve. It's a little bit snow on the ground, but it's also something called window moss on the ground. So even in the summer it looks like this because the moss is white. Here's some animals brawling in the background. Also this. Robert McConnel. Parrot. Black Parrot. I have a lot of it at home. It's a super nice vapor. Kind of a rough cut, broken flake, but not really, more rough rubbed out flake. And really it's a smoke I love to smoke outside. Taste more. Citrusy, not overly sweet, a little roasted. Very pleasant and smooth smoke. When you open the tin, it's quite sharp, a sharp smell, but nothing like it when you smoke it. Very smooth. Grassy, citrusy. Not overly sweet. Highly recommend it. So now I must go and find my son. He's somewhere here. Yeah, over there. Somewhere. Oh, there he is. Have a really nice Sunday. Bye-bye.